Hi everyone, welcome to Adharshila coding classes. Today we are making an application on MIT App Inventor. The name of the application is Find the Location, in which we will be able to find the address as well as we will be able to find the latitude and longitude of a particular location. Very first thing which we have to do is we have to take a map. The map you will find on your screen from this map section. Drag a map on your screen. In the right side, you will find the properties of map. Here you will find center for string is asking you two values. I have kept the latitude and longitude of my location. You can search your location's latitude and longitude and you can place that value here. After keeping this, you can suggest what height and what width you require for the map. I have kept the width as fill parent and height as 70%. After that, how you want to display? You want to display it in the form of roads, aerial, or you would want to go for terrain. Whatever way you want to display the map, you can mention that information here. Later on, I'm going to take another component which is going to be the address. For address, I have selected a label and I have placed it below the map. In the address, again, you can change the properties based on your requirements. Here you will find the exact location when you press on this find the location button. So whatever address you will be right now, you will be able to see that address in this particular label. After that, I have taken two more labels. One is for the latitude, another is for the longitude. Latitude and longitude are a system of coordinates used to locate any point on Earth's surface. Latitude measures how far north or south a point is from the equator, while longitude measures how far east or west a point is from the prime meridian. Take these two values and I'm going to keep both the values 0 for now, but as soon as I will press on the find location, when it will find the location of mine, it will be able to show you the exact values where I'm staying right now. Later on, I have selected find the location, which is the button which I have selected from the user interface. Drag the button, keep it here. Again, choose the settings, make the properties of your own choice, and then this button will help you in making this application work. Last but not the least, the very important component of this particular application is location sensor. Without location sensor, we won't be able to locate us. So here I'm going to drag location sensor. You will find it in the sensor section over here. After keeping all the components of your application on the screen, the designing part is done from my end. Next thing which I have to do here is I have to make the code to make sure the project is working fine. I'll go to the block section. On the top right corner, you will find blocks. Now on my screen, you will find two events are occurring. First is when the location sensor location change. In this case, I have selected this block from location sensor and I'm saying every time my location will be changing, I will be able to make the blocks inside it work properly. So every time I move somewhere and if I change my location, it will show the latitude of my location on the latitude label. Similarly, it will display the longitude of my location in the longitude label. Later on, I will be able to see the address as well. I have combined two components here. One is a text box, another is the location sensor's current address. So it will show you address and then whatever is the actual location, it will display that address to you. And I have to select another event which is saying when find the location is clicked. So every time you're changing the location, you need to press on this button, then only it will be able to tell the sensor that the location is changed and this entire part of the block will be applied. Now, when I'm clicking on this button, I want to set the latitude of my location based on the values we are getting from the location sensor. Similarly, I want to display the longitude of my location based on the information we are getting from the location sensor. Finally, we need to display this latitude and longitude on the map. So we will add these informations and how much you want to zoom in your map application. You can mention that number here. I have kept it 25. You can keep it some other value as well. And ta-da! The Application is ready. Let's test it and see how it's working. I hope you like the application. Do like, share, and subscribe to Aadharshila Coding Classes.